Hello, this is Feature and here we are with a Braid video. It's been a while since I did done one of these. It's even been that long ago that I didn't talk in videos, so this is gonna be great. So we start with just brushing your hair out, as usual. Because if you don't brush your hair before you start braiding, it's gonna be difficult. And we are just gonna do a braid that I've been doing for a while now. This is also my living room. This lovely setup. I don't have a tripod, so this is just boxes upon a chair, upon more boxes. So you start with the top of your head, of course. And you just start braiding downward, just a normal French braid. And I'm gonna try to direct it to this more of the side of my head, not like in the middle of my head. And it just seemed like a great idea just to try one of these again. As I said, it's been a while since I've done a braid video, but I thought, well, let's give it a go. My hair was looking good that day, so that's always a bonus. And we're almost getting to the side of my head that you can actually see the braid that I'm doing, which is also nice. It's a very short video, it's just a braid, so that's easy, at least for me. It's easy to do, and I never really see myself braiding because I always braid just randomly somewhere, and then I have to look afterwards in the mirror if it's looking okay. So this is also nice for me to kind of see myself doing a braid, seeing it come together. And yeah, just a simple braid, one of my go-tos that I do a lot. And here you can see it's almost there. Now we just have to braid the excess. And this is also the part where I'm gonna sign off, just giving the rest of my hair that's now in a bit of a tangle, little brush again. But I'm gonna sign off right here. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to my channel, so I might do another braid video very soon. My name is Friese and I hope you have a lovely day. Goodbye.